Hello there everyone. In today's video we're going to be showing you how to put close friends in your close friends list on Instagram and then how to share stories to them and basically explaining what does. So what you must do is go to your profile on the down right over here, click it, then click the three lines here and click close friends. So from here you can select which friends you want to add to your close friends. I'm just gonna add this person for now and done. So I have one person in my close friends list. So let's say for example I want to upload a story. So I click on the top right here and I click story, and here I'll just add this one, and here you can see close friends. If I click on this, you see that my Instagram story becomes green. And what does that mean? It means that this story is only for my close friends, but you see the little star that appears right over here? Well, that means that it's only for my close friends, but they will be able to see it as well. They will be seeing that you've been added to them to their close friends list, and that this is a post only for your close friends list. So have in mind, it doesn't do this without notifying the person that only they can see it or that it's a special post. So we hope this helped you. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time. Have a nice day.